Alright, hey, how's it going, guys? SvperDvperAlex here with another video, and it finally came true. We got our first sponsor. Especially, well, obviously for the Q50, because this is the booming on the channel. Keep that thing running up. Look how good she looks. We took the wing off for a reason. It's a little OEM sport, the OEM sport wing. My car's not a red sport, so it didn't come with it. I threw it on, but that's how she's looking right now. Probably catch some runs later. See where all the fast guys gotta show them what the Q50 can do now. So I'm full 85 now, but anyways, let's get right to it. Shouts out to our sponsor. I think it's NINTE. I think someone else pronounced it like that. So NINTE, shout out to y'all. Appreciate the support. All the links for everything we're gonna install today, well, the wing we're gonna install today will be in the description. We're gonna have a discount code if you guys wanna use it, and also that's it. I mean, just shout out to them. I guess they're our first sponsorship. Hey, it's the first and it ain't gonna be the last, so we gotta keep running it up. But shouts out to them for believing in us and finally getting our first sponsorship. And hopefully we can do more work with them because they're awesome guys. They've been contacting me through the whole way. Like, they make sure everything's good. And I appreciate them. And yeah, let's get to the video. Alright, let's get to the unboxing. So, comes in this package here. I already kind of opened it up just to see everything, make sure it's the right one. They make sure of all that, so you can open it up. This little logo wrap. Gotta open it up here. So I took a peek at it earlier. This thing is clean. Let me get to it. Protect it real nice so it don't get damaged. But sheesh, look at this, it looks clean.
Oh my.
It's definitely gonna fit in with the other carbon mitts I have on the car. So.
Alright, so these are just a few things you're gonna need. Not much really. You're just gonna need your double-sided mounting tape. We like to go, might as well just do it right, get the extreme. And you're gonna want some alcohol and a rag. Get it all nice and cleaned up. You don't want any issues. You want it to stick just right. And yeah, let's get to it.
Let me get SvperDvperAlex here in the channel. You know, he showed up. Yeah, he got a fresh cut for y'all. Just letting y'all know.
Just for you guys. The sponsorship, you know, it's a big deal. It's a big deal. You know, I had to call my mom this morning. You know, it was a big deal. I'm just kidding.
Should I let him borrow 20 bucks for my cut?
Yeah.
We're gonna have SvperDvperAlex do the cleaning right now.
So you want to get some alcohol, nothing too crazy. Just enough to clean her up. Just wherever you're gonna put the tape at. We'll go ahead and clean up the car too. Get both areas nice and cleaned up.
We just washed the car, so I do recommend washing it. We just washed it just to make sure everything was all nice and clean. So yeah, we're basically gonna mount tape all underneath here. As you can see, it kind of like has like a little lip and shows you like exactly where it's supposed to be. And that way we can put all the tape here and then mount it. And obviously clean up your surface on the Infinity. We're gonna go ahead and pull it on over here so that way we can show you a little better. We'll show you in a bit.
Oh no, I do got it. Dude, it's doing so good.
Alright, so go ahead and clean your surface. You can see here. Nice, look at our hand moving.
Left,
oh.
right, left,
oh.
right.
So go ahead and clean your surface real nice. We just washed the car, so that definitely helps.
because we had to get rid of the other wing. There's a bunch of tape, so. But just take a nice look. Look how bootyless it looks without that wing.
I know you guys don't like bootyless women.
All right, let's go ahead and apply the tape over here. Throw the 3M, and then go ahead and install. Quick and easy install. So, and definitely a really good bang for your buck wing. I believe they're 200, but if you use that discount code, you can get a little bit less. So make sure to support your boys.
SvperDvperIsaac going hammy. Yes, sir.
Hopefully we have enough.
Yeah, no,
I tried getting the bigger roll, but yeah, this is the turn to the.
yeah, that's normal, guys. Don't freak out about this. This is normal, but you do want to try to go ahead and just smooth it out as much as possible. You want to make sure it gets the most thick as possible.
You have a knife on you?
Yeah, I'll grab a blade.
So there it is with all the tape applied. Take a good look. It ain't perfect. Well, you know how I use the garage. What are you doing? You know how we do it out here.
We do it.
Nah, but definitely this tape's gonna hold. It just wrinkles a little more with the tape on top. So to install it, we're gonna take off this middle piece here first. So just this middle piece. And make that exposed. And then the rest of it, we're just gonna peel up the corners and then expose the tape and then peel all that off. Because that way when we're laying it down and we lay it in a bad spot, it doesn't just stick all. Because this stuff is super sticky. That other, like I had the same stuff on my other wing, and I definitely went over 140 on a close course a few times.
Mexico.
And it never even thought about coming off.
So yeah, if you're looking for a 160 plus setup, this is the setup you want, right?
This is definitely the setup
right here.
This 3M tape will definitely hold. Trust. Been proven a lot of times.
Trust. All right, let's get into it. Let's get right into it.
All right, so this is what saw this from Jimmy Oaks actually. Shout out to y'all, cause y'all smart. I'm not. But so basically all I'm gonna do is I'm only gonna leave the middle exposed. That way we can kind of center it, and then just the edges, cause they're kind of a pain to get to. So we're gonna kind of put it in place where we want it to sit, and these we're gonna peel up. And once we get it in a good spot, we're gonna rip these off from underneath in that exact spot and then push down. Because if you expose all of it and then you lay it down, it's gonna be super difficult to like readjust it. Trust me, we've done plenty of these, and when you try to pick it back up, it does not want to come back.
All right.
So go ahead and sit right there for us. We're gonna go ahead and
sit right here, nice and cozy. If you need any water, let me know.
So it's gonna be, the fitment's pretty good. So
Like right on the edge almost, basically?
So yeah. And then the edges over here. It's gonna have like barely a gap on both sides of the edge.
How far are you going?
Hold it right there. No, let me give it a little more on my side.
More than you?
Yeah. It's gonna be a little bit of a gap the whole both sides.
Another little one.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Perfect. Let's look at the bottom. Do I need to go lower? Drop it, doesn't know. It's on my side. Right there.
No, I know it's not that way. It's like it's feel. I think that's perfect.
Nah, I think we're good to go, bro.
Alright, so as y'all can see, gonna go ahead and just pull these from underneath. Put the edges up.
Do you want to put some pressure in the middle first?
A little, no, not much.
No?
Let's do this. And then you're just gonna pull on these. I guess I can do it. It's all one piece. You can do it too. And just like that, then you start applying pressure. Dude, that's a dope trick, honestly. Shouts out to them.
And just like that, guys, that is how you gain 50 horsepower in less than 30 minutes.
Dude, it's 30.
This carbon.
There's a little piece that stuck out. Let me go ahead and cut that out.
It's all about perfection here in Isaac's garage, guys. All about perfection. And let me tell you, these spoilers, perfection, guys. Hurry up before they're gone. Let me tell you. Well, guys, there you have it. Freshly installed.
Shouts out again to NINTE for sponsoring us. Look how dope it looks. Make sure if you guys want this wing, click the link in the description. It'll help us out, help them out. They'll definitely do more stuff with us and help you guys out as well. So without further ado, we're gonna go take a few shots. Go their little area where it's a little cinematic-y, so you guys can see how it looks. And yeah, wrap up the video.
Good, so you can appreciate it a little more and see all kinds of angles before you make the purchase. But I promise you guys are not gonna be disappointed. Very, very good quality.
And the fitment is perfect.
Fitment is perfect.
And
all around.
We're just two average Joes putting some stuff on. Look at that.
All around.
Perfect.
The fitment is
and it's sturdy.
immaculate.
Like literally, you cannot move this. It's moving the whole trunk.
That's the way to go, guys. But yeah, without further ado, let's show you guys how this thing really looks.
Really put on a wild show.
Guys, shouts out to NINTE again. Make sure y'all check them out. Link in the description. Support us, support them, and keep doing this. By the way, the car is full 85 now. Up or down pipes, intakes. I'm actually maxed out on stock turbos now, so we'll see how it puts down. We're gonna set up a few races against other tuners and see how the car is performing.